In this lesson, we're going to talk about the basic coverage responsibilities of the second baseman and the shortstop. The second baseman and the shortstop have a specially shared responsibility to cover second base. Whenever the ball is hit near the second baseman and the second baseman must make a play on it, then the shortstop should cover second base. And whenever the ball is near the shortstop or in his field, then the second baseman needs to cover second base. So if you're looking at the field of play, you can imagine a line drawn straight through the middle of the field between the catcher and second base. If you take the right side of that field, anytime the ball is hit into this right area, that's this shaded red area, then the second baseman should be moving toward the ball to either get the ball or to be the relay man. And the shortstop should be moving himself to cover second base. Conversely, whenever the ball is hit onto the left side of the field, then the shortstop should either be making a play on the ball or moving to be as the relay man, while the second baseman covers second base. So let's go through a couple of examples. So we have the pitcher throw the ball, and the batter hits the ball to the right into the infield. In this case, the second baseman will field the ball and the shortstop will cover second base. As another example, this time the pitcher throws the ball and the batter hits it deep into the right side of the field. In this case, the shortstop continues to get to second base, but the second baseman acts as the relay, and he lines himself in a way so that it's a straight line between where the ball is and where the shortstop is at second base. That way he can act as a relay. If the right fielder throws it short, the second baseman can get it and throw it on into play. Or if the right fielder makes a good play to the shortstop, then he's ready to catch the ball. Now let's show it going to the left side of the field towards shortstop. So pitcher throws the ball, hits it to the left side of the field. The shortstop fields it, and the second baseman covers second base. Now if the ball is hit a little deeper, the shortstop acts as a relay, and the second baseman covers second base. Notice again that the shortstop aligns himself so that he's in a straight line between the throw from the left fielder to second base. That way he can assist in case the left fielder throws short and needs some assistance there. Now, one final variation of this is, what do you do if the ball is hit in a straight line right up the middle to center field? Well, the second baseman and the shortstop have to work out beforehand who's going to be the relay and who's going to cover. And your individual coach may have a specific set of instructions for when to do that, when second base should be relay and when shortstop should be relay. Or you may just have a hard and fast rule that one of the guys is always going to be the relay and one of the guys is always going to cover the base. And that concludes our first set of discussions on the responsibilities between the second baseman and the shortstop. There's a lot more variations to discuss, but this gives you the basic introduction that you need to understand how to share this responsibility and make sure the bag is covered.